Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about Cascade Platinum Plus. This is their 62 dishwasher detergent and it's the mountain scent. So these make your dishes cabinet ready. It has 2 times the scrubbing power, virtually spot-free shine, and the best thing ever is that they partner with Dawn to give you that ×2 grease fighting power. So let's take a look at them. This is the 33.0 Oz or 2.11 pound box. So let's open it up. So all you gotta do is squeeze your finger in there and pull, and there you go, it's ready to go. First of all, I really like that it's a easy to close box, so you can just keep them in here, which is incredible. You don't have to move them anywhere else. And take a look at these, you guys. These are definitely one of the coolest ones I've ever seen. You get 3 types of different products in there, and then you also get the detergent as well. I think these are definitely a must-have. We use it in our dishwasher every single day. We always been using Cascade because we run our dishwashers 2 and even sometimes 3 times a day. We are always eating and always cooking, so we always have to look for something that's going to save us time and energy when it comes to our dishwasher. So check this out, you guys. This is a definite recommend. 10 out of 10.